If you've been injured in a motorcycle accident, you need an experienced attorney to represent you. That's where Jackson White comes in. Attorney Jared Everton has been fighting for the rights of accident victims in Arizona for over 2 decades. Bikers are often prejudged as reckless individuals, which leads to them taking an unfair amount of the blame when they're involved in an auto accident. That's why it's so important to hire an attorney if you've been in a motorcycle accident and have sustained serious injuries. The typical medical bill associated with motorcycle accidents in AZ are not going to be cheap, and it's vital that the other party involved pays their fair share of the amount due to their involvement. Motorcycle accident compensation. At Jackson White Law, we understand the obstacles facing you after a motorcycle accident, so we take every step to make it an easier, effortless process. For motorcyclists, the road presents many more hazards than it does for the average car driver. They are exposed both to the elements of the road as well as the negligence of other drivers. And in the case of an accident caused by another driver's negligence, you may be entitled to compensation. Protecting injured motorcyclists in Arizona. If you were injured in a motorcycle accident due to another driver's negligence or recklessness, you may be able to receive compensation for various damages sustained from the accident. These damages can include medical bills, loss of wages, damage to your motorcycle or other property, pain and suffering. While your medical bills may be easy to put a price on, damage to property, loss of wages, and emotional suffering isn't so cut and dry. And when you need to get the most from your case, consulting with an attorney well-versed in motorcycle law is the only way to reach the full potential of your compensation. We're focused on your future. Injuries sustained in a motorcycle accident can lead to debilitating fractures, a lot of lost wages, and missed opportunities at work. None of that should be taken lightly, and the Arizona Personal Injury Team at Jackson White Law knows exactly that. We are experienced and knowledgeable when it comes to motorcycles and riders in Arizona, especially in the Phoenix metro area. Keep in mind, it's important to know what to do after a motorcycle accident in Arizona as well. If you have a legitimate accident case, it's likely to be complex, requiring you to clearly show that the injuries you sustained were the result of negligence, and that your injuries were also legitimate. With the right legal team, you can prove your case, minimize the financial impact of the accident, and get the compensation you deserve. When you're ready to move forward, we're here to help. Contact us today to get your free consultation. Call personal injury attorney Jared Everton at 4804-674392 to discuss your case today. As a premier law firm, we've helped thousands of Arizonans navigate the often daunting process personal injury litigation. Our team is ready to fight to get you the compensation you deserve. You can trust our 20 years of experience practicing personal injury law in Arizona.